Good morning, students. Welcome to the online virtual classes. We are starting with the session 2, operating system and the application. Computer software is basically divided into two parts, operating system and application software. Students, can you repeat with it? Computer software is divided into two parts, operating system and application software. Computer cannot recognize English, Hindi, Marathi. It only recognizes 1 and 0. Computer can understand with a string of 1 and 0. It consists with letters, numbers, sounds, images and many more things. This 1 and 0 is called as a binary number. To communicate with the computer, we need an operating system. Operating system which acts between the users and the machine. It can also call as interference between the users and the computer. Operating manages all the software and the hardware of the computer. As the screen you have seen, the operating system reacts as the middleman which controls the desktop, printer, mouse, keyboard, CPU and the application of the software. In the computer, you have seen the application of software of Microsoft Office. So they are having the versions like Word, Excel, PowerPoint and Access. So on the screen, you have seen the logos of the Microsoft Office. There are different operating system. Common ones are Microsoft Windows. In the school, you are having the computer. So you have seen about the Microsoft Windows, which consists Microsoft Windows XP. Now we are having the latest version called as a Microsoft Windows 10, 16 and many more things. So in this our school we are having the Microsoft Windows XP. So they are having the many operating systems like Mac OS X, but it is called as a 10. So we are having many operating systems. Do you see on the screen like Linux, Unix, Ubuntu and many more things. Desktop applications. Desktop application have many application in the computer. So we'll have the example of two on this screen. One is the Microsoft Word, which is called as word processor. Another is the Microsoft PowerPoint. Application software is give the instruction to the computer to do a specific task. As per we know that the Microsoft Word processor is used to type the letter stories and edit or insert the picture, while in the PowerPoint is used to create the slides and animation. All my videos I first made in the PowerPoint and converted into the slideshow. In this screen we'll see about more application. One is about the clock or calendar and another one is web browser used to access the internet. So all of you must be aware of about the browsers. So students, we are aware about the mobile, how it is running. Mobile devices is run with the operating system only. There are major two parts. One is Android and one is Apple. So students, all of you are having the mobile which is connected with the Android operating system and one is for Apple operating system. In this, we'll see about the mobile apps. Operating system for the mobile devices are designed for interaction with the small touch screen. In the mobile, we have seen about the many applications. We are using the Diksha app, we are using e-learning app, also we are using state board apps. In this screen, we'll see about the short instruction about app. So student, repeat again with me. App is a types of software that allow to perform specific tasks. Application for a mobile devices are the mobile apps. In this, we'll see about the list of operating systems developed in various years of the computer development. One is Mac OS, which was developed by Apple. MS-DOS, which was developed by Microsoft. Firefox OS, developed by Mozilla. Android, which was developed by Google. Windows, developed by Microsoft. Unix was developed by Bell Labs. So students, we'll stop here. Next lecture we'll see about the operating systems of how they are working with the process manager, memory manager, device manager and file manager. How they are done with their job and how they are performing it well according to the operating systems. So students, thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy. Goodbye.